In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the erase command. So, erase is what you're going to use when you want to get rid of anything that you've drawn on your screen. It's really easy to use. I'm on the home ribbon. This is the modify panel. Erase just looks like a pencil eraser up here. I can also get to it by going to modify, erase, the pull down. You can also type E, enter. Just like the rest of the modify commands, you can do noun verb or verb noun selection. So verb noun would be selecting the action of erase, and then you select the line. And it doesn't know when you're done selecting, so I can continue clicking on lines. Whenever I'm done selecting the object that I want to erase, I can press enter and they disappear. You can also do it where you select the erase or select the object and then click on the erase command. You could do that selecting on multiple objects. Or you can also just click on the object and hit the delete key on your keyboard. That'll do it as well. So there's lots of ways to do the erase command. You can also select multiple objects by drawing a window around them. I'm going from right to left, doing the green window. And with that, that is the crossing window, and anything that window so much as crosses through will get selected, and then I can just click erase, and that's it. That's the erase command.